Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add tags on Redbubble. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course select your profile over here on the account, then click on sell your art. After that, you're simply going to create your product over here. Click on add design, and in this section you can upload your new work or copy an existing work. For example, we have this product over here, this design. All you need to do now is go over here, click on tags, and type the tags that you would use. As you can see here, tags are how your audience usually finds your work. Use 15 relevant tags per upload. You can simply type in the tags you want over here. For example, dog, stuff like that, husky, stuff like that. And then after finishing all the required data right now that you are seeing, you're simply going to finish and click on save work. And that's it guys, that is how you will be able to add tags to your work. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.